How to make your vacation rental stand out, because if it's not, you're not maximizing it and not maximizing the money it can make. In this episode, we're going to go through on how to make sure that you have upgraded essentials. Then we're going to go through the marketing pieces that are going to make your rental stand out. Then we're going to go through on the little extra touches that are going to ensure that you get great reviews and better bookings. First of all, what we're going to go through is upgraded essentials, the things that you really need for your property and to make them stand out. One thing that may seem obvious, but maybe not to everybody, is you want Wi-Fi. And if you could get high-speed internet, that's a plus. Streaming TV services. A lot of people like to watch TV when they're on vacation. Having those services set up on the TV ahead of time is critical. Not just making sure that you have all the critical or essential kitchen items or gadgets, you need to make sure, try to have them top of the line and newer. You want to make sure that the outdoor area is an area that they could utilize and enjoy as well. They're renting this. In some areas, they're utilizing the outside more than they're utilizing the inside. Make sure that these things are on point. Make sure your barbecue is cleaned and ready to use. If it's hooked up to gas, great. If it's not and you need propane, make sure that the propane tanks are there with a couple of extras, just in case. You also want to make sure if it's sitting areas that they're clean, if you need umbrellas, and the area is clean of debris. You want to make sure that you go through and click or check off all the things that apply to your rental. Look, such as Wi-Fi. Is it secured parking? Do you have a safe? Do you have a hot tub? Do you have a barbecue? Do you have a washer and dryer? These are things that people want to know. Make sure you take the time, click on everything that applies to your property to maximize. Make sure you list these because people will check off the filters that they're looking for. And if your filter doesn't have it on it, maybe they're going to skip yours. This could be things like if you allow pets as well, you want to make sure that you let people know. A lot of people don't, and if you do, that's a big plus for you. You want to make sure that you make notes of things that are maybe unique in your area. Maybe parking's a premium, or it's not there. If it is, you want to definitely make note that you do provide parking. Things like this are big. Linens, you want to make sure that you have good photos of these areas. If you do have parking, is it covered? Is your bed just does it look like, it did when you went to college? Or does it look like, this is a nicely made bed out of a magazine? What would you rather sleep in? So once you've taken care of these things, now what you want to do is take advantage of the marketing piece, and you want to make sure that you have professional photos taken. Professional photos are such a key. So many people skip these. Do not skip these. Get the professional photos that are needed for you to maximize your listing. Videos are just another way for you to enhance your listing. Take advantage of the opportunity. Get the videos. Oftentimes people give you a deal anyways if you do photos and videos together. Before we go into the extra touches next, do me a favor, comment below and tell me what it is that you like to see when you check into a vacation rental. What are the key things that you like? One thing that I recommend people doing, this is a nice little touch, is creating a page detailing the area, what's around, what can you go and tour and see, what amenities are around essentially. Also, what kind of restaurants are around you as well. People like to go out to eat often when they go on vacations. You want to make sure that you make note of the restaurants, amenities, places, sightseeing, places to go, things to do in your area. Here's another thing. You want to make sure that you make the process easy. If someone inquires on your property, don't wait for a long time. You're actually graded on this. Once someone inquires, the quicker you get back to them, the better. You're graded on this. Plus, it keeps them from shopping around. The quicker you get back to them, the quicker they're going to make a decision. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. When that person walks in the door, you want to make sure that that experience is unique to them. Are they coming to your property for a bachelor party, bachelorette party? Are they coming there for a wedding? Maybe they have a pet. You want to make sure that you capitalize on this opportunity. If it's a pet, for example, maybe you find out what kind of pet food they have. Maybe you have their food and water there. Maybe it's an anniversary. You have champagne glasses there for them and a bottle of champagne or wine. There are things that you could do that just add a little extra touch that don't have to be super expensive, that go a long way. They'll never forget it, and it's almost guaranteed to give you a great review. The reason why the review process is so important, because you could pick and choose. If person's under X amount of, as far as their reviews go, you may be excluded from even showing up in the process of what they're able to pick from. So you want to make sure that you're getting as many 5-star reviews as possible. By doing these things that we just talked about, it's basically ensuring that you're going to get those 5-star reviews. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out the next video, how to make money with a vacation rental.